Hi everyone, my name is Chris Draper, and I'm a member of Team Agile Turtles. Over the course of this semester, our team has worked to develop the Georgia Tech Mental Health app. Our team's primary goal is to build an application that will help Georgia Tech students talk about their minor mental health concerns, receive support from other students, and learn more about the mental health services offered by the Counseling Center. In Sprint 4, our team presented our Georgia Tech Mental Health app MVP, and we received feedback on our MVP from both students and instructors. Overall, our team received feedback from 19 students. After reading the feedback, we found that 7 out of 19, or 37% of students, were concerned with the application's moderation functionalities. As a result, one of our team's user stories for Sprint 5 focused on adding additional moderation features. Our team also received feedback from the TAs and instructors, and we decided that the GT Mental Health app was in a great position to include a feature that would cater towards students dealing with the outbreak of coronavirus. Let's imagine a GT Mental Health student moderator named Sarah. Sarah is usually super busy with school, but she has a short break in between classes to check up on the GT Mental Health app using her iPhone. When Sarah opens the moderation tab, she sees that all of the moderation reports are now split into two categories: post and comments. When she clicks on a reported post, she is able to read the entire post and the relevant comments. She reads through the post, remembers her training from the GT Counseling Center about how to view a post or comment from an unbiased perspective, and determines that the post was inappropriately flagged, so she dismisses the flag. Then, Sarah clicks over to the Reported Comments tab and clicks the first reported comment. Sarah reads the corresponding post and thinks about the context of the comment. Sarah decides that it was an inappropriate comment, and she chooses to delete it. In order to implement these new moderation features, our team had to update the GT Mental Health app's RESTful API and front end. First, 2 new calls were added to the RESTful API. The first call returns all reported posts, and the second call returns all reported comments. Next, our application's front end was updated to only display the reported post and the reported comments tab to administrators. Additionally, our team recognizes that moderators will have a lot of power if they can delete comments, and we know that this power could be abused by a biased moderator. As a result, we've decided that moderators will go through a special training once every semester to talk about the best methods for moderating the GT Mental Health app in a fair and unbiased manner. For our next user story, imagine a Georgia Tech student named David. David is a computer science student, and he has recently returned home due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Unfortunately, David's home life is difficult, and it has been hard for him to focus and perform well in his online classes. David really would like to vent and/or chat with someone that can understand his situation. David uses his Android device and opens the GT Mental Health app as a normal user. David looks at the app's different post categories. He sees that there is a new category for coronavirus-related posts. After reading a series of posts from other students, David decides to create his own post about his personal coronavirus situations. His post receives a number of helpful comments, and David was able to have a constructive conversation with other students that improved his overall outlook on his home life and the COVID-19 outbreak. In order to implement the posting category functionality, our team coded new features in the application's database structure, RESTful API, and React Native frontend. First, a new field for post tags was added to the database so that when a user creates a new post, that user can place their post in a specific category. Next, the RESTful API was adjusted to accept a post category as a parameter and return any posts that match that category. Finally, our application's front end was updated to include a screen that allows users to select a category and view any post within the selected category. Over the course of Sprint 5, the Agile Turtles team added a post category feature and additional moderation features to the GT Mental Health app. These features were created to address students' concerns with moderation and to provide our users additional support during the coronavirus outbreak. We believe that these new features will help students live happier and healthier lives during their time at Georgia Tech. Our team hopes that the GT Mental Health app can be the next safe space where every Georgia Tech student with a mental health concern can find the support and resources they need.